Okay, so hi everyone on Tumblr. Wouldn't usually make a video of myself, and I'm totally wearing the wrong fandom stuff for what just happened today. But I'm super excited because my BigBoss action figure just got here. It's the 25th anniversary version of him from Metal Gear 3. Freaking out. He's 2.5 weeks early. I completely destroyed the box for him. Yeah, so I mean, like not his actual box, but the package box that he came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the actual review of him now. Okay, so this is what I meant when I said that I destroyed the box that he came in. I didn't actually destroy it, but I pretty much, I just opened it right away. There was no hesitation. Actually, there was a little bit of hesitation. I was pacing around nervously. So there's the box that he came in from Hot Toys. Yeah, he's the sneaking suit version. And like he came inside of this foam packaging inside of that box, inside of this paper, came all the way from China. You can, where is that? There you go. It's all in Chinese. So, without further ado, there he is up on my shelf. And yes, I've taken the liberty of looking at him already. But no, I mean, I haven't really opened him yet. Like, I haven't gotten inside of the box. He is all done up with all kinds of plastic protective stuff right now. Because like I said, I just got him. So, yeah, we'll just take a quick look at the packaging. The packaging is really nice. It's a thick material, like, it's a thick cardboard. It's all this appropriate green color. Not a whole lot of details on the package itself. On the case, cover, box. It's pretty simple. But he's such a gorgeous sculpt. Oops. Like, I just absolutely had to have him. He's a belated birthday present to myself. I purchased him using Christmas money, birthday money, and part of my first paycheck from the job that I'm working currently. So I'm going to go ahead and open him up now. Okay. Getting him out of the package, this is what he looks like. I didn't have 3 hands to hold the video and remove him from the package and, you know, hold the camera. So, this is the additional instruction material that he comes with. He comes with a box, of course, with Russian all over it. I don't speak Russian, so I don't know what all it says, but, you know, it's appropriate and fitting. There's, like, instructions. Okay, my phone's cut out in the middle of speaking. So what I find funny is they had this little piece of protective tape right where his bandana goes, so it wouldn't get scuffed or anything. So yeah, he's got this package stuff on him, just like this clear plastic bag type stuff, just for keeping him pristine, I would suppose. You know, so none of his paint gets scuffed or anything gets chapped or broken. So yeah. Sorry. It's just basically like plastic bag type stuff. And here he is. My phone is not going to do him justice. This is an absolutely beautiful sculpt. Still got to get that plastic part from his stomach off. But yeah, this is just like, the detail is insane. I mean, I couldn't be more thrilled. So I'll set BB aside for now and look at all the other stuff he's got. So he's got these little the joint cap things, in case they get lost or broken or anything like that. He's got 2 pairs of alternate hands. This is like a gold gun holding hand. And this is its mate, its other half. There's another trigger finger hand, slightly different. And then he comes standard. He came in the box with his hands clenched into fists. Just like a thing of salt to keep him, you know, fresh and whatever. Okay, that's why. This is his stand. Naked Snake sneaking suit version. Ugh. This is the back part to the stand. So I'm not going to set him up right now. Oh, that's fine. There we go. A little wedgie thing to keep that in place. The last thing that I want to look at, I'm going to leave this one here. The other ones, those I'm going to toss, but the last thing is, you can see at the bottom, there's 3 layers of this stuff. So, give me 1 second. Okay, so this comes in the package underneath BigBoss, and it is essentially all of his little additional goodies. So, we've got 2 handguns, 2 larger guns, binoculars, different gas canisters, an ammunition box, and obviously his rations, which I think is adorable that he comes with rations. I don't really hope that there's not something missing here, because it's kind of weird. Oh, there we go. Cool. It just got shifted. So he's got 2 different knives, too. He's got this one. And this one. That's a pretty beast knife, actually. But that's not surprising, because it's BigBoss. And I should know what this is. I'm afraid I have failed myself, because I don't. I'm gonna say it's either like night vision or something. And I'm going to show how green I am. I can never remember names and makes of guns, so I'm not even going to try with these or this. This is obviously the little hush puppy he gets at the beginning of the game with the silencer. Uh-oh. What's that? Oh, nope. That's just the paint job. The way that it looked on the camera, it looked like it was scuffed. But no, it's just reflecting. And my camera is shoddy. But, I mean, these are all pretty basic. They're just obviously the color of the plastic with a little bit of paint job details. Again, my camera is super blurry, which is why I'm not gonna sit and do an actual review. I'm just super excited, so I had to show you guys, sharing the wealth. So the guns go like that. BigBoss himself comes on top. I'm going to take off this plastic around his belly, which I'm probably going to have to take him back out to do. Okay, so now we got the middle piece off of him, so I can actually have a decent look at him. Like I said, his face sculpt is just amazing. Like, I'm really blown away by this sculpt. Phenomenal amount of detail to everything. His bandana twists, so I can have it posing dramatically in the wind, like so. He's got all kinds of other details, from his radio piece here to, you know, this orange undersuit that he's wearing. This is where one knife would go. This is where the smaller knife goes. He's got just a ton of stuff on this tactical vest piece. He's got a canteen back here, this giant pocket here. I wonder even what's in there. Just like every tiny detail about him is pretty flawless. He's just got amazing detail everywhere. From the pouches to this orange sneaking suit that he's wearing underneath. I believe it's in the game, it's like some kind of prototype. Little CCCP emblem. What I found really interesting is he's restrained a little bit because of this piece of fabric here, but I think it's really well done because he does still have articulation here. I haven't posed him obviously to see how much articulation he has, but obviously quite a bit. Oh, just see the he looks so fierce. He looks so fierce with his bandana blowing in the wind and his hand clenched into a fist. Ugh. Just let me fangirl / fanboy a little bit. Oh my gosh. Just look at him. This man is a beast. I am so happy with this purchase. I intend to collect more Metal Gear figurines in the future. BigBoss is my first Metal Gear action figure. But my 13th action figure that's still in its package. Counting action figures I have at home that are out of their package or that just aren't as mint. I have probably 30 to 35 figurines at this time. But I have a gigantic wish list when it comes to Metal Gear Solid. But BigBoss felt like the appropriate first choice. Yeah, this is a purchase I do not regret in the slightest. Like I said, he came almost 2.5 weeks early. So I am just blown away that he's even here. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.